Hi friends, I'm back again and we're going to do a quick review about what we went over and let me get my thoughts together just for a second. Okay, we're going to do a quick review about some of the things that we've talked about over the course of the lessons that you viewed. So remember, some of these words here, basketball, soccer ball, football, meatball, they are compound words. That's when you have one word and another word and you put them together and they create a big word, okay? What kind of word? Compound word. All right. So we also learned that basketballs bounce, soccer balls you can kick, footballs you can throw and you can also kick them too with a punt. Meatballs we can eat, baseballs we can hit and throw, and beach balls we can do hit, kick, and throw. All right. And what else did I want to talk about? Oh, and remember we talked to some friends about some things that we want to find out about balls. And remember, what did we want to find out about balls was one of the questions of the day. And Dewan said, do all balls bounce? And I linked a video showing a person demonstrating some balls bouncing. And he also wanted to know, do soccer balls bounce? And a soccer ball was in the video. So Dewan will have to tell me what he saw. And Grace, what are balls made out of? And I linked a video that showed how bowling balls were made, and I thought that was really cool. I didn't even know that they had like the weight inside of them to make them roll. I knew that they were heavy, but I didn't know it was a weight inside. So that was really cool to find out. In Kingston, how big can balls get? And guess what? I also linked a video to a wrecking ball because that's one of the biggest balls that we have. And a wrecking ball demolishes old buildings. That means it tears it down. That ball has to be really big in order to knock buildings down, right? Right. So today we are going to sound out, clap out the syllables in the words, in these words of balls. Okay? So, let me set this up right quick. And we're going to clap out the syllables. And remember, the syllables are like the word ball. Ball. How many syllables is that? One. Good job. So, we're going to start with the word football. Are you ready? Foot. Two. Good job. Baseball. How many syllables do you? Good job. Two. Basketball. Basketball. Two. I tried to trick you, but it didn't work. What's this? Tennis ball. Tennis ball. Soccer ball. Good job. And the last one, beach ball. Good job. And now change gears. We're going to shift into something different. And this is called ball. Ball. And the words and picture, Mary Sullivan. I'm going to read this story. Ball. 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 Oh. Oh. I can hear what she's busy. And he's in his mind, he's like, oh, he a ball. Can the baby play ball? No. We not play ball. And the cat was like, ah. Can the girl play ball? Ball. Ball. He tried. Ball. He fell asleep. He's dreaming about a ball. And it's his birthday. He's playing tennis with the ball. And he's in outer space. Ball! And him now trying to get his ball. Oh, the ball fell. And he had to get it. Uh-oh. Out of that. Oh, what is that? Ball, 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 ball. Ball. She came back home. So, guess what, friends? You can read this story. Isn't that cool? All right. Thank you for listening. I'll see you next time. Bye.